Hello everybody สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Jiras. I am originally from Bangkok Thailand and I moved to Scotland over 20 years ago. I live in the Scottish Highlands. Thai ingredients are very hard to come by here, so I have to grow a lot of my own to get the best possible taste from the freshest locally sourced ingredients. All the videos I have made are from family recipes from my grandmother and my mother who were chefs. I love cooking, gardening, and I love to travel to different places all over the world to taste different foods and find new recipes. I hope you all will enjoy watching my videos and you can also suggest and share your recipes on my channel. Please leave your comment, click like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for your support. Bye.